this is Priyanka Jain. Welcome back to my channel, The Light Baker. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. So guys, today I've made this video on how to make notes. There were many students who were confused about how to make notes for theory subject and practical subject, and whether note making is time consuming or not. They didn't know what are the benefits of note making and how it will prepare you for the last date. So guys, today I've made this video so that it is clear in your mind that it is very useful and you should make notes for your final day. So let's get started. So let's start with why note making is important. Okay, first of all, we really need to understand concepts properly. कॉन्सेप्ट्स जानना ज़रूरी है बिकॉज इट विल हेल्प यू टू रिमेंबर द सब्जेक्ट मैटर वेरी नाइसली. ठीक है, जो आज आप पढ़ोगे वो आपको बहुत दिनों तक याद रहेगा. एग्ज़ाम डे में जब आपके पास एग्जामिनेशन हॉल में क्वेश्चन पेपर आएगा, जैसे ही वो क्वेश्चन फ्लैश होगा, यू विल बी एबल टू रिमेंबर इट व्हाट टू राइट देयर. तो कुछ भी आप लिखते हो तो वो आपको याद ज़्यादा रहता है. तो कॉन्सेप्ट्स क्लियर होता है, प्लस रिटेंशन भी बहुत अच्छे से होता है इफ़ यू राइट इट. Writing practice. Okay, it will help you to write your answers properly because आपका practice हो जाएगा. When you just keep on reading it and then automatically suddenly आपको you write in your exams, it becomes very difficult to frame the answers. Okay, so वो भी आपका अभी हो जाएगा. That will also be done today only and you will be able to practice in writing and answer it perfectly in the examination hall. Okay, clarity of the subject you will get. In fact, your multiple time revision becomes easy as well because you keep on filtering your subject. A, B, C categorize करके filtering करके you make your course less and it becomes easy for you to revision it multiple times because जैसे एग्ज़ाम सामने आ रहे हैं वैसे you have less time to study. Okay, and accordingly you need less material to revise as well. Note making will help you with that. Many think that it is time consuming, but it is not. It might take a little bit of time, but it's worth it. During the first revision only, during the first time reading only, you should make your notes so that later your time is not wasted. Correct. It is really worth it because it prepares you for the last day. You need to prepare for the last day because you have just got 1 or 2 days left to revise and you need a shorter version, the refined version of your chapter. So note making will help you with that, as well as you will be able to smart study, you will be able to retain it for long and you will be able to excel in that subject properly. So next we'll go with what are the requirements you need when you're making a note. Basically, take a diary and notebook for all the subjects. Colored pen, pencil, highlighters, sticky pads, post-its जो आता है ना वो चिपकाने के लिए all the pages में कौन सा chapter we are doing तो आपने वहाँ पे stick कर दिया. It becomes easy for you to roll it. And a scale. Okay. So the main part, how to make notes. First of all, whenever you're giving a first reading, first time when you're studying self-study, understand the chapter and make notes on the same day in your handwriting. आपकी खुद की handwriting में you should make your notes. In the book only side में लिख दिया, वो पैराग्राफ के ऊपर you can write your meaning, the concept behind it, the questions behind the paragraph, anything whatsoever you want to write in your own language, write it then and there itself when you are studying for the first time so that next time आपका time waste ना हो. Okay, कुछ star mark देके brackets देके arrows देके you can make your notes properly when you are reading it for the first time. Use colored pen highlighters to make your notes look attractive. देखो आपने अपनी बुक में नोट्स बनाया, you are making notes in your book, at the same time you are keeping a notebook as well, keep on writing there also. हेडिंग्स जैसे आपने बनाया, तो उसमें यू नो कलर्ड पेन्स यूज़ करने से you will find it attractive. Your brain works in that way only. Colored things makes the things interesting. So try to use colored pens, highlighters to make your notes attractive. आपको पूरा चैप्टर कॉपी नहीं करना. You don't need to write the chapters completely. You need the refined version of that. Okay. बुक में तो आपका सब कुछ लिखा हुआ ही है, करेक्ट. For now, whenever you're making notes, just short में, just the crux of it, so that you get a clear understanding of the chapter. उतना ही लिखना है. Okay, don't copy the chapter completely. It will become a mess, complete mess. For point-wise answers, you should try to create stories या कोई image बना लो. Short forms, mnemonics like Vibgyor हुआ, BODMAS हुआ. We still remember the full form of Vibgyor, BODMAS कि क्या है इसका. ऐसे कुछ words बनाने से you'll be able to retain it for long. When you're studying for the first time, you should try every method to make it clear, to make it short, to make it easy for you to understand for the next time. Okay, so point wise में first pointers बना के एक mnemonic बना लिया, you will be able to go through, right? कोई भी चीज़ को आपको short करना है, that should be in your mind. Understood? When you are studying it, try to write keywords in your notebook so that you can incorporate it in your answers to make your answer look professional. That is very, very important. You being a professional, you should write answers as if a professional is writing. So you need to write keywords of that course in your answers. So better for you that whenever you are writing it, make a note of all the keywords which you want to incorporate in your sample answers. Try to write the gist of the concept so that you don't waste your time writing the entire concept, reading the entire concept. Just the summary, if you read, you will be able to give your exams. Try to make flow charts, diagrams, tables, mind maps, tree diagram, flashcards. This all helps you to remember it. I have used many of them. मैंने फ्लो चार्ट्स बनाया था, मैंने टेबल्स बनाया था, मैंने माइंड मैप्स बनाया, ड्राइंग्स बनाया. वो बहुत हेल्प किया मेरे को रिटेन करने के लिए. व्हेन आई वाज गिविंग एग्ज़ाम, आई कुड एक्चुअली रिमेंबर मेनी थिंग्स. लाइक स्पेशली इसका एंड IDSM में तो मैंने माइंड मैप्स बनाया था. आई रोट द एंटायर वन चैप्टर इन वन चार्ट, just one side of the chart, and I could revise it properly one day before my exams. It was just one chart which I had to read for one chapter. So 8 chapters, 8 charts, and you are good to go. You can also record audios, which is really very, very helpful. Whenever you are traveling, whenever you are commuting, you can listen to it and it actually helps you remember it. I recorded professional ethics of audit so that professional ethics we need to remember those words, those numbers. So whenever I used to go out, I used to listen to it. Whenever you listen and you read and you write, it actually gets stored in your subconscious mind. When you're studying, write sample answers for each type of question. For each category of a question, you should write a sample answer about how you are going to frame your answer in your exam. That one, like professional ethics का है तो एक sample answers बनाओ. ये आपका कोई भी रिलेटेड, लाइक केस स्टडी बेस्ड है, एक सैम्पल आंसर केस स्टडी बेस्ड का बनाओ हर चैप्टर से रिलेटेड, सो दैट यू आर क्लियर इन योर माइंड दैट हाउ यू गोना फ्रेम योर आंसर्स while giving your exam. Whenever you are studying, always categorize your course, which is important, which is not, which is least important. Review the course entirely, categorize it while making notes while you are studying for the first time itself, so that आगे आपका time waste now. You should not waste your time each time when you start that subject. You should be good to go on the first reading, first self study. Okay. keep filtering. That is very 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 important, because practical subjects mein there are 100 questions, 80 questions. You cannot study the entire course on the last day. You should filter it every time you revise, strike it off. Side में notes बनाओ, या same as question number this, reference this, whatsoever, howsoever you understand, make that and keep on filtering it, so that on the last day you get just a small portion of your subject and you are good to go for your exam. For practical subject, make a dedicated formula diary. Use boxes properly. अच्छे से boxes बना के आप उसमें लिखो all the formulas and everything, and jitna flow charts you can make. I showed my notes as well. I'll give a clipping of that. Even you can take a reference of that as well. So basically, for practical subjects, formulas likhne se you'll be able to remember. And when you are studying, underline important points जिसको आपको ध्यान रखना है when you'll study next time. If you are stuck at any point of time, मतलब when you are studying, mark it with a red pen or something कि I need to read it properly. I was stuck in this question, I need to practice it again. Every time you get stuck, just mark it, study it before sleeping, review it. That is very very important. Mark question where you stuck. That's what I'm saying. In whatever language you want to write, just write it, because the next time you revise it, you should actually focus more on that question. Practice questions for each type of concepts. Each type of questions. हर concept का solve 1 or 2 questions. That is very 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 important. Review and revise your notes. Like whenever you make a note before sleeping, just go through it, what you wrote it. Whenever you will read it before sleeping, it will get stored in your subconscious mind. It will help you to retain it for longer. And believe me guys, whenever you will read it again, you'll remember it that you wrote something like this. So you should always review and revise your notes. Concepts should be clear to write the complete answer. If you are stuck at any point of time that I could not understand this paragraph, please understand it right then. Don't leave it for for later. You should know the entire subject properly with clear understanding. That is very very important. Marks are not important. The understanding of the subject is actually important, because that is what will matter in future. Please solve sample question papers, mock test papers, RTPs, and then match it with the suggested answers given by the institute. This will really help you write perfect answer professionally and score good marks, because when you write an answer and you match it with your institute's answer or the main proper answer, you'll get to know what you are missing it on. क्या मिस हो रहा है, क्या चीज़ मिस कर रहे हो, क्या चीज़ हमें इनकॉर्पोरेट करना चाहिए आंसर में, किस हिसाब से लिखना चाहिए. तो always solve papers and try to compare your answers and match the standards with the institute answers. And next time when you write it, try to write it more professionally to score good marks. Understood? I'll show you a few examples, like like this one is a flowchart diagram. This is of IT. In this way you can make your flowchart. Then this is an example of mind map. This is what I did for my ISCA ITSM. I could actually one topic, and then I used to connect it with many branches. तो इस तरीके से भी आप अपना नोट्स बना सकते हो. दिस इज ट्री डायग्राम, प्रोबेबिलिटी का क्वेश्चन है, इस हिसाब से भी कनेक्ट करके यू कैन मेक नोट्स फॉर योर सेल्फ. टेबुलर फॉर्म में कोई भी डिफरेंस के फॉर्मेट में है तो इस हिसाब से यू कैन मेक योर नोट्स. एंड फ्लैश कार्ड्स विल हेल्प यू टू रिमेंबर इट, द फार्मूलाज, SFM के फार्मूलाज हुए, आप कुछ छोटे छोटे फ्लैश कार्ड्स में आपने लिख लिया. कभी भी ऐसे ही बैठे हुए हो, यू कैन जस्ट गो थ्रू इट. Okay, any technique whatsoever you want to use, you should use it and try to remember it as much as possible, because weird things हमें याद रहती है इमेज के फॉर्म में, स्टोरीज के फॉर्म में, डायग्राम्स के फॉर्म में. ये सब फॉर्म में जो भी चीज़ें होती है, we tend to remember it more, our brain tend to function more. So it's better that you study in that way only during your first self-study itself. Prepare your notes for practical subjects. Sticky notes use करना. प्रॉपर छोटी छोटी थ्योरी भी लिख लेना ताकि आपको रिवाइज़ करने में कॉन्सेप्ट समझ आ जाए। फॉर्मूलाज़ को बॉक्सेस में बना सकते हो, फ्लो चार्ट बना सकते हो, एज़ पर योर कन्वीनियंस। जस्ट प्रिपेयर योर डायरी प्रॉपरली। लास्ट मिनट, लास्ट डे रिविज़न में बहुत हेल्प करता है ऐसे नोट्स बने हुए। ये कॉस्ट का है। फॉर्मेट्स भी बना लेना उसी डायरी में। जो भी चीज़ आपको ध्यान रखना है लास्ट डे के लिए, यू कैन मेक इट इन योर फार्मूला डायरी। बहुत अच्छे से हेल्प करता है। So that's all on how to make notes. I really hope this video was useful to you and it was informative. And if you like this video, don't forget to click on the like button and share it with your friends. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe it and click on the bell button so that you get notified on my every upload. Thank you so much.